So, welcome to a video. Today, I am playing Flood Escape. I tried to record a video, but then I accidentally exited it, and I accidentally removed everything, and I got off video.
And this is take two.
Yep, and this is take two. So, today I'm going to play some Flood Escape with Bobby. Say hi.
Hi.
And Super Girly.
Hi. I'm a peeps.
Then I'm going to go back to Flood Escape. And also people are going to be playing. Well, luckily I can go back on.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah. Lena, give me
Want a drink?
Yeah, can you give me water, please? Lena will be right back.
Water? Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
And I'm quitting.
Eat glitch. Why? Eat glitch. Okay. So I asked to leave. Let's play something else. Okay. Let's.
I get to pick.
No, I didn't. I picked it. Play something else.
Can we play It's his YouTube channel. Can we play natural disaster?
No.
Survival?
We're gonna play some people. What's up? We're gonna play. I'm not allowed to do horror games on Roblox.
What are we gonna play?
Okay, let me figure it out.
What are we gonna play?
I'm gonna figure it out. My Wi-Fi is glitching really badly, so there's less chance I'm gonna get there.
I have 2 Robux.
Oh, Bob has 2 Robux.
I have 0.
We don't have 0. So I'm gonna play. No.
No.
Skywars. No.
What are we gonna play?
Okay, we wanna play my place? No.
What? Your place is boring. Yeah.
You hate it?
Find the obby.
You have to reset your character until you die. So I created a place and they hate it and it hurts my feelings really badly.
I feel like you didn't make it, but I don't care.
Hey, you hurt my feelings.
I said I don't care if you didn't make it.
So that doesn't mean you care?
Let's play the normal elevator. Yeah, let's play the normal elevator. Everybody join my world.
Yeah, but no, I can't because they're my friends. Oh, she wants to play Survivors.
I'm playing normal elevator.
Okay, play Survivors, sir.
I'll play Survivors.
Okay. So Bob's not going to be playing. Say bye, Bob.
Bye. Actually,
Wait.
I'm gonna play Survivors.
Okay, we're playing Survivors. Okay, Survivors.
Have been served. The one with the K on it is Cadence. Hey!
Right here? Okay. Sorry.
With the B on it, I can go and swim it with Bobby. If you don't, it will be too late. I don't want to go swimming. We're late.
Yeah.
I like to play video
Yeah.
games.
Yeah. So, come on, let's go. Let's play. Okay, join me!
Are you in?
Okay, yeah.
Hey guys, soon I'll have my own phone.
Okay.
Like soon. Like really soon. Jolly Ranchers? Where?
Okay, join. Join me, 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 join, join, join me. Join me, join me, join me, join me, yeah, boy.
Oh great, I have 17% left. Where's the charger?
Okay, my name's gonna be,
Is it up here?
my name is gonna be Donut. Cause my name is Donut. Bad name is Donut.
I'll do. Are you in?
Yes, I'm in. I'm actually in.
Girly girl.
Wait, let's leave the game.
Spelled it wrong. Girly.
No, wait, never mind.
Girly girl.
Should we leave?
Yeah.
Should.
I found some Jolly Ranchers.
Should we leave?